So what I'm doing right now is I'm sanding, light sanding on this, and we're gonna be putting some polyurethane. We're gonna put a couple of coats of polyurethane on our countertop. It's a beautiful day. Today's actually Sunday, Mother's Day. To give you a little timeline. Let's get started. The shine up in here. Look at that shine. It's been a while today. Put about 5 coats on this, the polyurethane. It really came out nice. Looks real good. It's Saturday, May 16th. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. We came in this morning. We're going to be opening up a couple of things that we have. Hopefully we can find a hole saw to go ahead and cut the hole in the countertop and finally mount the countertop, because right now it's still loose fitting. We're gonna also do the same thing in the bathroom. We got a new faucet and a new sink that I want to show you. So that's what we're gonna do today. So this is the sink that we're going to be putting in the bathroom. It's got some ridged lines. Very pretty. And we're going to be mounting it on top of the new countertop we got built. I'm going to have to drill a hole. I'm going to mount the plunger. And then we're going to drill a hole for the new spigot and hook everything up.
Smells like beef jerky. I want some barbecue now. Put this as close as you can, or not super close, but close to the bowl.
Okay, so you want to put it as close as possible, but right here.
Definitely not touching it. don't know. I'm trying to think outside the box of what we're not thinking about.
We're trying to figure out where we're going to put this spigot. We're about to drill a hole. So we're going to put it right here. No going back now.
No going back. Smell like beef jerky.
So what I did was I cut a hole bigger than the flange itself, and I tightened up the flange and I put it down. Okay, we're gonna center that. Then I took a piece of plywood. I'm gonna put this plywood up underneath down the bottom. Then I'm gonna take a little washer, a nylon washer that I have, and the nut, and I'm gonna screw it. I'm gonna sandwich all this down. Then after it's all sandwiched down, I pre-drilled some holes in here, and then I'm gonna screw this to the bottom of here. Because typically a sink at a house is just mounted down. You might put a little bead of silicone on it, but being that this is in a bus, it's gonna be moving back and forth. I want to lock this down in place. I do not want this to move. So that's how I'm doing it. So I ended up having to add an extension to get up. And right now what we're going to do is we're going to hook up these lines to where they need to go. But everything came out real good right here. I got that all secure. It is nice. It came out real good. That's how you make a woman happy.
Yeah, finish my RV so I can go camping.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this week's episode. We got a lot of good new things coming up to show you guys.
Yeah, it's really coming together. So we say it every week. You know, we're very excited that it's coming together, and whatever, but it's really coming together. Next video, you're gonna see some of the things that we really just like pumped about, like the floors are in. You're gonna see this dinette maybe on this next one.
Like currently, right now, there's a tropical storm. Just to give you a little timeline, we're about 4 weeks behind in the videos versus where we really at. So today we took the motorhome out. We went run it. That was fun.
Yeah, we took it on the road. I mean, we've been running in the neighborhood, but we took it on the road and we visited some friends. We slowly venturing out.
From this COVID.
Being very smart about it. So in the next video, you probably see that we actually went out to eat. We went on a date to our favorite restaurant. We had the whole place to ourselves. The owner was really cool. Let Sean do his thing with all his toys.
I got to fly my drone inside.
Yeah, and they have like breakables and stuff
inside the restaurant, and he was excited about that.
So that's cool, but we're just excited. Things are coming together. It's looking like a real motorhome instead of a gutted nothing.
Yeah, we also have somebody working inside on the shower right now. And,
yeah, that's...
I can't wait to show you that stuff.
That's a bit unique. We got a few like side eyes when we told people our plans for that. So thank you for watching. We greatly appreciate it. This is really fun for us that you guys are commenting. Don't forget we have Instagram. It's living.in.the.journey.
And you're right.
And we're going to tag it down below. But yeah, this is so much fun. And interacting with y'all is really cool. We meet new friends. And that's just like super cool.
Yeah, if you like this, please share it. Just go ahead and tell somebody. Tell somebody to watch it. I mean, it's pretty cool to introduce this to other people. It's just... We're hoping we can reach a larger audience and share our journey with everybody else.
Yeah, it's a game. I mean, this is going to evolve. Right now, it's renovating a camper. Who knows what's next? Who knows? It's the journey. All right, well, deuces.